This is a 1960 Mark VI saxophone, and it's worth well over $5,000. This is a Bundy II saxophone, and you can buy these for around $500 nicely set up. I want to compare this to the Mark VI. Let's get started. My name's Scott Reed, and I'm a woodwind repair technician and a woodwind player. So let's start with the Bundy, since I have it in my hands. The ergonomics on the Bundy are not quite as modern as the Mark VI. However, they do feel really nice under the fingers. It feels more like a vintage horn, although it does have some features of a modern saxophone, like the right hand bell keys, where the bell keys are on the right side, and the table keys feel really nice under the pinky finger. And the saxophone does feel nice, and the ergonomics feel nice. I think anyone can play a saxophone like this and get around on it really nicely. This is the Summer Mark VI. This saxophone is what pretty much every new modern professional saxophone copies as far as ergonomics go. And this saxophone feels great, it's extremely refined, the key works smooth, and it is noticeably better than the Bundy II. However, it's also quite a bit more expensive. Let's just move on and compare the sounds. I'm going to try these saxophones out with my Ted Klum Acoustic Max mouthpiece, and let's just see how it sounds. One thing I noticed with the Bundy is it definitely feels like it's built for smaller hands, and of course it's a student model horn. Some of the things, mainly the big thing I noticed was the high D was super low, and that was probably the biggest noticeable thing that would be hard to get used to. However, palm key risers would easily fix that. The Mark VI. There's the differences. Let me know what you think and which one you like better. Is it worth spending the money on this beautiful 1960 Mark VI, or would you be happy with the sound of the Bundy II? Thanks for watching.